BlockFi and FTX, a new bad game revealed by SEC. Ripple Counsel has raised some crucial questions over the FTX-BlockFi connection and its US SEC settlement. Don't miss this video to know more. Hi again, welcome back to Crypto Marker. Stuart Alderoty, General Counsel of Ripple, accused the SEC of bearing much of the responsibility for BlockFi's demise, as well as engaging in unethical practices. BlockFi had agreed to a settlement agreement with the SEC in February after the SEC accused the company of failing to register its retail crypto lending product. Alderoty has found something fishy in the BlockFi and SEC settlement. He has stated that nothing was ever registered as per the BlockFi SEC deal. He inquired about the first two payments on the $100 million fine and asked if they were ever made. Ripple General Counsel called on the SEC to show BlockFi ability to pay and their source of funds, while FTX shows a $250 million loan to the crypto lending platform. However, now customer funds are blocked. This creates doubt whether BlockFi paid the fine and any of the funds for that fine came from FTX. Australian attorney Bill Morgan, while answering to Alderoty, said that as a result, the SEC got stolen money while using the cryptocurrency assets of FTX-BlockFi investors, which the SEC is meant to protect. This leaves a question of whether the SEC accepted stolen money. Ripple CTO David Schwartz also commented, noting that it is even worse. He said the fact that BlockFi borrowed funds from FTX for fines could be related to the fact that BlockFi assets were stored at FTX. In other words, the SEC may have weakened BlockFi financially to the point that the company had no choice but to store cryptocurrencies at FTX to keep it running, which may have been the reason for the collapse. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch our other videos to know more about XRP and Ripple.